Well, hello guys. This is your girl Diva Fashionista, and I'm doing something really different on my channel. This is a first. It's very different from me. And what inspired it is today I was just, I was home, I was watching YouTube videos, and as a suggested video, train's cricket. As a suggested video, unboxing purse video came up, and I was just like, I watched it. It was from D Levine, so shout out to, I did enjoy the video. And I just believe in just giving credit where credit's due. That's what this idea came up. I watched it, and then a bunch of her unboxing videos came up, and I started like watching, and I really realized like, all right, this is a thing. I actually really like looked, and I'm like, oh, people like these type of things. I've definitely seen and watched plenty of what's in my purse videos before, but I just never thought to do one. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know. Like, I was so inspired. I'm like, all right, I just bought a new purse. I've actually worn this purse twice. I bought it last Sunday, and once the weather broke and it was 90s outside, I was like, oh, let me get cute. And I pulled out my new purse, and I just thought I'd share it with you guys. I don't know. This is something that you like, let me know. This is like a total departure from what I do. I'm like, sorry. But if you enjoy, which I hope you do, like, then yeah, it was worth it, right? So since I worn it, it won't be like a complete unboxing, but I still have everything. I mean, I just wore it twice. So this is the box it came, or the bag it came in, and it's like filthy at this point. This has been in my house. It's a little beat up. And I did buy my purse from Macy's on 34th Street. If you don't know, I'm a New Yorker. So I was with my favorite cousin, Asia, and we were shopping in Macy's. We needed to get away and just have a cousin moment. And because it just was my birthday, this was a birthday treat to myself. So on that day, as we were waiting for my purse to come up after I picked it out, this lady was like pulling out water, and I was looking like, I must have looked thirsty, or we must have been staring her down, because she's like, would you like like some water? So I still have my little water bottle, even though I finished it right then and there because I was thirsty. So that was really cute, and thank you very much. And then the duster that it came in. So it came in this duster, which is still in the bag. I didn't need it wrapped. I'm not that girl. It's going to come to me, so I didn't ask them to wrap it. But they would have if I asked. But no, I didn't need that, because I'm just gonna throw it away. It's gonna be around here and be in the way anyway. So this is the purse. So I needed something smaller than the bag that I was carrying, and this, when I saw it, it was the perfect style and the perfect size. I tend to like a top zipper because I like to like reach into my purse. So I don't tend to like a flap or anything else like where I have to just fumble with. But I tend to like a top zip, so it's easy for me to do just like this when I need to reach in. And it has gold hardware, which is my favorite because I tend to wear, well, right now my current sneaker of choice is my Adidas Superstars, and that has gold on it, so this will go perfectly. And I just like all the details that it has on it. Little codes, so that you know that you really have a authentic bag, because let me tell you something, a bootlegger is really not going to go through all that trouble. They're just going to try to duplicate like the shape, but they're not really going to go through the trouble of getting the hardware and all the little signature touches. And this is how the front of this looks, and I just thought it was so cute. It has a strap, two straps on it, one to do crossbody and one to go over your shoulder. I do like that it's adjustable, and there's a lot of detail on the strap just for you to go ahead and adjust it. You can detach the longer strap if you just want to wear it as a hands or shoulder bag. And then they took it back to the old school, because I don't feel like bags that I've purchased, like Coach used to be, and I say used to not because it's been replaced. It's just that I don't care as much to have higher end or designer handbags at this point in my life, as a mother, a wife. Like I don't really care to you know, but Coach used to be like my favorite brand, and this is so old school, especially if you had a Coach purse back in the day. You know, these little tags right here is so old school. They kind of got away from doing that, or they switched it to like a metal tag at a certain point, but to see the leather one back, it's just like, that is so old school, it's so nostalgic. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you, and this is what it looks like inside, and this is going to be unboxing slash what's in my purse, because like, while I have you here, I might as well, right? So it has an inside zip. The lining is lined, and again, another detail, if you can see, it says Coach on the inside, and even the lining says Coach. And then, ooh, y'all don't want to see that. So in the zipper part, I have a little personal product, and then I have some Tylenol. I tend to carry Tylenol, and then I always leave these in here. This is the care instructions, and gives a little brief history of the company as well. So we go inside and see like what I have, and I need another pack of gum because it's almost empty. So this is my favorite, which is Orbit Sweet Mint. That's my favorite. I don't really go anywhere without gum. And then I have my Jergens, which I'm gonna need a new one soon as well. Stuff I use like on a daily basis. I get this from Walgreens. I love it. It's about $2.50. Love this. I always get this lotion. It's either that or cocoa butter. And then just on the bottom, I have, because you know, this was the winter that I wanted to last forever and never, never, and just never go away. Cough drop, just in case. You get a little tickle in your throat. And so then, don't laugh at my wallet, y'all. This was a gift from said cousin, and I love it and I appreciate it. So I love on it. So knowing that Coach was my favorite brand, she got me a Coach wristlet. So this is my wallet. I love it. Since I've been using it, I've never lost anything, never lost it, no jinx, knock on wood, or something behind me. Like, this is why I keep it. I'm able to keep up with everything without losing anything. So normally my Metrocard is right here. Hubby has it right now. His expired. I wasn't going anywhere, but take my Metrocard since he's at work. And so then on the inside, we don't need to get into what's in there. I got a couple coins, right? And so then we have this guy. So I tend to keep a makeup bag in whatever purse that I'm wearing, and this is just the one that I'm using now. This was from Dollar Tree. Yes, it cost me $1, and it's so cute. And then we open it inside it. Another one. Let's tuck that down. And then the gloss that I'm loving right now is from Urban Decay, and what it's called, SPL, but I love it. Do you see that shimmer? It's just the nicest, prettiest baby pink. Love this. And then a lipstick that I wore, I must have worn the day that I had this purse on. I did wear this on the day that I wore this purse, which is ColourPop Getty. I showed you this in a recent haul. I wore it. I love this lipstick on. Let's see what else. Another hand cream that happens to be from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, my kids are crazy. Sorry. And then another one of my favorite glosses. This is open even though the packaging is still on there. This is from Sephora. I love this gloss. This is like one of those forever purchases. What is this? Tan lines. I like shimmer. Duh. I like shimmer, so I love this. I love it. It's just a perfect nude, perfect any day gloss. My nails have been breaking a lot, so I've been keeping a nail clipper. And then I don't go anywhere without some type of moisture for my lips. I do not care. I do not care. And gloss is not moisture to me. That just adds some shine. But I will not go anywhere without a Blistex or Carmex. And this is my Carmex. Blistex, Carmex, something like always on deck. And sometimes it's chapstick. But yeah, that is it. That's everything that's in my new purse. So far, I love it. Let me know if you like it as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. Love reading your comments. And if I don't catch you, you will catch me in the next one. All right, guys. Later.